In this video, I will show you how to set stop loss in Bitget Futures Trading step by step so you can manage risk and protect your capital while trading. By the way, later I'll show you guys the best way for even complete beginners to buy, sell, store, and exchange crypto. You don't want to miss that, so watch this video to the end. I've already opened the Bitget app, and once you're on the home screen, tap on the Futures option to enter the Futures Trading section. Before setting a stop loss, you need to open a trade. For this example, I've selected a trading pair and placed a futures trade. If you don't have enough balance, Bitget won't allow you to open a position, so make sure you add funds before trading. As you can see, my trade is now active and visible under the position section. Looking at the position details, you can see the entry price and the current market price. In this example, my entry price is around 0.7. Since this is a long trade, if the price goes up, I make a profit, and if the price goes down, I take a loss. I don't want the price to fall too much and cause a big loss, so I need to set a stop loss. To do that, look below your open position and tap on the TP/SL option. After tapping it, you'll see two options: take profit and stop loss. In the stop loss field, enter the price at which you want your trade to automatically close. For example, if you don't want the trade to go below 0.6, enter 0.6 as your stop loss price. Once you enter the stop loss price, review the details and tap confirm. If the market price drops to 0.6, the trade will automatically close. This helps limit your loss if the market moves against you, and prevents further downside if the market crashes. You can also set a take profit along with the stop loss. For example, if your entry price is 0.7 and you want to book profit at 0.8, tap on TP/SL again and enter 0.8 in the take profit field. When the price reaches 0.8, your trade will automatically close in profit, and you won't be affected if the market reverses afterward. You can use both take profit and stop loss together, or you can use only a stop loss if you want to keep your profit unlimited. Bitget also shows you the estimated maximum loss based on your stop loss level, so you clearly understand your risk before confirming. If you ever want to change or remove the stop loss, you can cancel it from the Open Orders section and set a new one. This same process works for any coin and any futures position on Bitget. That's how you can set stop loss in Bitget Futures Trading step by step. As promised, if you're looking for the easiest way to buy, sell, store, and swap crypto, I recommend checking out Rock Wallet. It's a super cool app that lets you stay in complete control of your crypto, since it's non-custodial. Even if you've never bought any kind of cryptocurrency before, and you're not tech savvy at all, Rock Wallet will walk you through it, step by step. You can install the app for free, using the link in the description below. If you would like help installing Rock Wallet and creating your account, click the video showing up on your screen. It's a detailed tutorial walking you through the exact steps to setting up and using Rock Wallet.